Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Thank you very much, always more and more. Thank you very much for this. Guys, today we're going to make something typical Italian and easy to make, just a little bit longer to wait to try it. It's going to be absolutely al bacio, delicious. We're going to make Osso Buco di manzo. It's beef shin on the bone, slow cook with few ingredients, but is absolutely delicious. I show you what we need. We need, of course, ask your butcher, beef shin. I love this. You can use this, you can find the veal. We need some white wine, beef stock, plain flour, a lemon. Lemon, we're gonna put some lemon zest in the end. Rosemary, garlic, salt and pepper. This is what we need. What we're gonna do, I take a nice casserole, a nice, something like that for the slow cook. Put on already. We need gonna be very warm. I'm make some space here. Very easy, guys. Very easy. This we're gonna need later. The first thing we're gonna do, okay, is very important. The osso buco, when you brown it, if you don't do some cut around, when you cook it, you're gonna be like this. You know, it's not good. And we're going to do this. Cut this, just a little bit. Cut this, like this. Just around. It's enough. This one gonna cook around 2.5 hours. 2 to 2.5 hours. Very minimal on the gas. You can cook in the oven, but I prefer on gas. Okay. Now my cut is ready. Olive oil inside. Okay, and we're gonna brown it first, okay? But before we brown it, in the flour, okay? Take your time. Do this, around. Anyway, in. Always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends. Subscribe on the channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. For us it's very important. Okay, this go in as well. And last one. Now, the time we're gonna brown it is not time precise. Depend how thick they are, how big they are, but important you brown very good from all sides. Okay, I'm gonna brown it now. I show you on the way because I don't want to be long, but at least we're gonna brown 3-4 minutes per side, very nice. Okay, take your time, no rush. When we cooking, it's with passion, we don't have to rush. Now the flame, we need a good flame. If you notice, I don't put at the moment any salt and pepper, okay? Guys, look at it. It's already maybe 4 minutes. Just turn on the side. Oh, already the smell, guys. It's very simple, and even the Shin is not expensive. But if you cook slow, it's something absolutely stunning. You see? Maybe like it. Brown like that, easy, okay? The other side, same, and get ready with your wine, because next step is white wine. and see you in a couple minutes. Okay guys, other side is the same, okay? Now, take your wine, I got it. Yeah, leave the alcohol. Delicious. Always when you cook, guys, use as well good wine. Splash a little bit everywhere. My partner Susie gonna kill me, but I have to clean everywhere anyway. Now, guys, maybe try to move again. Speak. Just get the wine. The job, guys, is almost done. Eh? Now we wait this alcohol out from our Shin, and the next step gonna be some salt and pepper, how much you like, and beef stock. Okay, and later lid on, put the gas very low, and just wait at least 2 hours. Later, depend. I told you, depend how thick is how big is a lot thing that. But gonna take from 2.5, sometimes even 3. Depend how. But I'm gonna be more precise later. And I'm waiting a couple minutes for the wine, and I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay, guys, the alcohol is gone. We have already like a nice creamy sauce, but guys, the smell, I sometimes I cannot believe it's not first time I do it. Now what we're gonna do, how much you like salt, and pepper. Always you can add in the end. Is maybe a little bit more pepper. I like black pepper. And in this I put 3 garlic, just like that. Some rosemary from my garden. Yeah, I like this. And guys, now take your beef stock and just pour in. Try to cover it. Lid on. The gas we put in minimum, and see you in at least in 2.5 hours for this. Come here just for check if the stock is completely absorbed, because we need a little bit liquid for the sauce. If needs a little bit more stock, you can add, okay? But now the thing is just wait. And when it's ready, in the end, before we eat, we're gonna add some lemon zest, okay? This is the simple dish, but you know, little bit time, absolutely delicious. Guys, see you in the when it's cooked. I'm gonna be more precise later. See you later. Okay, guys, I want to show you. It's 1 hour. Wow. Oh, the smell is wow. I want to show you this. You know, gonna cook very gentle. I'm gonna cook around another hour, hour and a half, if need even 3. But guys, wow, the smell, absolutely stunning. Okay, see you when it's cooked. Okay guys, my Osso Buco or Shin, beef Shin on the bone is this, look. It's absolutely super, look at that, fantastic. Oh, the smell, guys, is amazing. This cooked around, I don't know, cooked exactly 3 hours. Still warm. Now that is ready to eat, it's better rest a little bit. Lemon zest on the top. Guys, now I want to show you. I want to put the camera just say to show you the. Is you don't need even the knife. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Absolutely super. You have here the marrow. Look at that. Guys, it's another masterpiece this. Well done, Piero. Wow. This is very, very good. Guys, what I want to say, my Osso Buco or Shin, beef shin, is this, guys. Absolutely delicious. If you like, guys, always finger up and follow us. This is delicious. Ciao.